Exercise 1.3, question number 1. Make correct statement by filling in the symbol containing or not containing in the blank space. First one, 2, 3, 4 dash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clearly the first one is a subset of second one because 2, 3, 4 are the elements of first one is also the element of the second set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the correct option is containing 2, 3, 4 containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is subset of the second one. For second problem, A, B, C dash B, C, D. Here A, B, C is a members of the first set, B, C, D members of the second set. Here A contained in the first set, A, B, C. But A is not contained in the set B, C, D. Therefore, A, B, C is not contained in the set B, C, D. It's not a subset of this. Third problem. Third one. Set X. X is a student of class 11 of your school. Dash of X such that X is a student of your school. Every students in your school in the standard 11 is a student of your school. So the first one is the subset of second one. So the correct answer is containing. Third one. Fourth one. Here X such that X is a circle in the plane. Dash of X such that X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. X is a circle in the plane means a circle in the plane with a different radius. But the second one, X is a circle in the plane with a radius 1 unit. So here some circles only contain this plane or a circle with radius 1 only. So these type of circles only contain in this set. But the first set contain all the different type of circles. The circle with a different radius. So first one is not a subset of second one. So actually second one is the subset of first one. But here we are using only two symbols. First one is subset of second one or first one is not a subset of second one. So now the first one is not a subset of second one. Third, fourth, fifth one. X such that X is a triangle in plane dash of X such that X is a rectangle in the same plane. So first one set of all triangle it's a plane. Second one set of all rectangle. So first one is not contained in the second one. Sixth problem. X such that X is an equilateral triangle in the plane. Second one, X such that X is a triangle in the same plane. Set of all equilateral triangle is in the plane. All equilateral triangle is one of the kind of the triangles. Set of all triangles contain different categories. The set of equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangles and scalar triangle. But the first one set contain only equilateral triangle. So this is a subset of the second one. So first one is a subset of second one. The next one, seventh problem. X such that X is an even natural numbers and dash X such that X is an integer. Even natural numbers. Even natural numbers means only starting from 2, first set 2, 4, 6, 8 up to etc. Is a infinite set. Dash the second one, set of all integers 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1, then plus or minus 2 up to etc. Plus or minus 2 up to etc. So this one contain the all element of the first set is the element of second one. So first one contain in second one. So this symbol contain in second one. Sum number 2. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. First one, set of A comma B is not contained in set B comma C comma A. Here is not contained in A comma B belongs to set B comma C comma A. So set A comma B comma B, A comma B contained in B comma C comma A, but they given not contained. So the statement is, the given statement, set A comma B is not contained in set B comma C comma A. This is false. Or second one, A comma E contained in X is a vowel in alphabet in roster form A, E, I, O, U. Here A, E is the elements of the second set. So this is true. True. The statement is true. For third problem, 1, 2, 3 contain in 1, 3, 5. Here 2 contain belongs to the first set 1, 2, 3. But 2 is not contained, not belongs to the set 1, 3, 5. Therefore 1, 2, 3 is not a subset of 1, 3, 5. But they given, therefore the statement 1, 2, 3 contain in 1, 3, 5 is false. Is false. Fourth one, set singleton set A, singleton contain in the set A comma B comma C. Fourth, set A contain in set A comma B C. Here A is an element of the first one, it belongs to the element of second set A, B, C. Therefore the given statement is true. Is true. Next problem, fifth one. Singleton set A is belongs to A, B, C. Singleton set A is a subset of A, B, C. But singleton set A is not the element of A, B, C. Therefore the statement is true, false. Therefore singleton set A belongs to A, B, C is false. This set is not element. Actually sets are the element of the power set. Then the sixth problem, set X. X is an even natural number less than 6. Contain in X. X is a natural number which is divided by 36. The first one, the sets are written in the roster form. First one, the set is a even is an even natural numbers less than 6. So first set A, first set considered as A, that is 2, 4. Second set B equal to set of X such that X is a natural number which it divide 36. So this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 18 and 36. Set B. Now clearly 2, 4 is an element of the second set. So A subset of B. So the given statement is true.